So today we are making noodles with red Thai curry sauce. This is a great lunch idea if you're looking for something under 20 minutes which is vegan and gluten-free. I'm sure this one-pot healthy meal will be loved by everybody. We start by cooking the rice noodles. We take flat rice noodles and pour hot boiling water. Allow it to soak and keep it covered for 15 minutes so that it softens and is ready to soak up all the flavors. Remember to cook the noodles al dente. Then we take a mortar and pestle and crush the peanuts coarsely. This will give crunch and add good fats to the curry. Then we take spring onions and chop them finely. Separate the whites, which will be used in cooking, while we are going to use the green part for topping and adding some crunch to the curry. Next we are going to add Thai basil, which is going to be chopped in very small pieces. Thai basil gives an unusual aniseedy kind of flavor to the curry. I'm sure you will love it. To make the sauce, which is the heart of this curry, we are going to add peanut butter in a processor along with red Thai curry paste, brown sugar to balance the flavors, soya sauce or tamari, a tin of organic coconut milk, and process it till well combined. This sweet, salty, spicy, coconutty combination will flavor the noodles beautifully. Next we drain the rice noodles which was kept for soaking and is going to be used up in the recipe. Take a pan and add peanut oil. Then we add chopped garlic and sliced onion to bring in a lot of flavor, along with spring onion whites. In case you are liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And in case you want the written recipe, it's available at Healthynidhi.com. Colored peppers cut into cubes for making it everything so colorful. Broccoli florets, giving it a stir, and then we add mushroom slices. Salt to balance the flavor, keeping in mind that we are having some salt in the sauce as well. Then we add the drained rice noodles and mix everything together. To the mixture, we will add the prepared sauce. And then we are going to add some sliced green onions. Add the Thai basil and mix everything together. Juice of half a lemon to balance the flavors. Mix everything together. And then you have the best Thai curry noodles, which are spicy, sweet, salty, savory and full of vegetables and healthy fat. Pour some extra sauce to the noodles and you have a meal ready in less than 20 minutes, which is colorful, delicious, will be loved by everybody. This lunch, though is carb heavy, is balanced by fibrous, colorful vegetables and a very delicious sauce full of healthy fats. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. And in case you want the written recipe, it's available at Healthynidhi.com. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.